What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys having an awesome year. I'd like to apologise of my last video that the audio wasn't good, and my editing. But unfortunately that's the only video I can only come up with, and that's the only thing I could do on that video is take some old bits out, old footage, and then put it in to try and make up a new one, but obviously that failed. Right now I'm just on my way to Iceland to get some few things for my grandma, because she has no milk. I have no milk, so I'm just on my way to get some milk right now. So right now I know that my channel is boring, no new content, nothing new, just the same old crap, just same thing, motovlogs. I know some of you are just tired of seeing motovlogs, you want to see something new. I did have some plans, but unfortunately that's been destroyed. I was gonna go to the event, what I said in my other video, but if you couldn't hear the audio, then I will say it to you again. There was an event that I wanted to go, but unfortunately there was problems, like my insurance, for instance. My insurance, I guess I will say it's my fault, because I told them that I was moving. They want me to show proof that I'm living in my new address, and the proof that they were asking me is that I need to get some papers from the council, and when I request for it, it was taking really long. He must be having a happy day. If I had money, I'd rather buy him fresh food instead of food that he found on the streets. What a sad world we live in. Yeah, so I didn't know how to get this. Well, basically they said that I need to have my name on the council tax, or have my name on something to prove that I live there. So I asked my mum about it, you know, how to get my name on there, and my mum was like, what? And she said, you know, that's ridiculous, because the information that I give to her, what they said to me, what I give to my mum, and my mum was like literally phone up and say that's ridiculous. They didn't really say much, but they said, well, I need proof. And the council just took really long to get this information, and then my insurance ran out and I couldn't ride, so it really sucks. The reason why that my insurance company was asking for me for proof of my address is because I was coming close to the days of renewal. But to me it doesn't make any sense. But how they put it, they says that there are people who was trying to lie about where they live and then try to get in cheap insurance. So I already said to them, if you wanted proof, why you never asked me before when I was phoning up about, you know, paying my insurance? And I already explained to them that I've been with your company for 4 years. Why would I want to lie? But hey ho, it took really this long. I think we're in June now. Yeah, we're in June. It was ridiculous. Now, like, say for instance that I have to get like medication for my grandma, but I couldn't get the medication in Doncaster. Say for instance I had to go to Thorn to get it. I'll be peed off, because I'm going to be saying, well, how am I supposed to get there without a motorcycle? That's the only question I'll be thinking to myself, is how am I supposed to get there? But now my insurance is sorted now, I'm back on the road. thank goodness. I miss the sound of Rex, miss riding Rex, and also having fun. But I'm just peeved off that I miss events. I missed a motorbike event, I missed a couple of car events, and I think I also missed a go-kart event. But I'll try my best to bring new content instead of motovlogs and just go on byways. I will go in the rain. I'll go in the rain on the byways just to keep this channel entertained. That's what I miss so much, the byways. Yes, I'm heading to Dunkin' Donuts because I never had Dunkin' Donuts even since when I went to America. When I went to America, I didn't have Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know if it's even open. Nope, it's not open. So I guess it's not opened at Lakeside yet. It's just basically the French Gate one opens. Freaking sucks. So I never had Dunkin' Donuts, and I have not have Taco Bells yet. None of them. I had none of them because the last time that I was here, it was freaking packed. It was packed, and I was just like, what? And I'm not going to French Gate because I'm sick and tired of being scarred in French Gate. Anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. Like I said, guys, I'll try my best to make this channel good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.